research classification. Number 1. Natural research based on origin natural, which are classified based on their origin, can be divided into two types, namely origin biotic and origin abiotic. Biotic natural research comes from living beings such as plants and animals. In the utilization process, these natural research are usually processed first so they can be used. For example, tires made from rubber and the most important oil product from pine resin. Meanwhile, abiotic natural research comes from inanimate objects such as rocks and others. Examples of abiotic natural resources that we often encounter are marble, tin, iron, bauxite, and natural gas. Number 2. Natural resources based on the natural of sustainability. Natural resources which are classified based on their sustainability can be differentiated based on the amount present in nature, namely those which can be renewed and which cannot be renewed. Renewable natural resources are natural resources that will not run out even if they are used repeatedly or are formed very quickly. Examples of renewable natural resources are water, air, wind, sunlight, plants, and animals. Non-renewable natural resources are natural resources that will run out if used continuously in large quantities and their formation takes a very long time. For their consumptive value, these natural resources can be further divided into two, namely natural resources that run out quickly and natural resources that do not run out quickly. In everyday life, we can find natural resources that run out quickly, such as petroleum, natural gas, and coal. Meanwhile, natural resources that do not run out quickly include gold, silver, diamonds, and gemstones. Number 3. Natural resources based on their use. There are four groups that can be found in natural resources based on their benefits, namely: Number 1. Space natural research. Space natural research are research that humans need in their lives for various activities, so that humans can live properly and comfortably. An example that we can take from natural research is a house for human habitation. Apart from that, there is space for livestock, agriculture, and fisheries. Number 2. Material natural resources. These natural resources are usually used by humans to meet the needs of their natural resources. They are vital. For example, salt is used for cooking process or as an additional ingredient in industry. Apart from that, there is quartz, sand which is used in building construction and industrial needs. Number 3. Natural energy research. Natural energy research is usually used by humans the power of power device to carry out their activities or to support life. Examples include natural gas, coal for wood, firewood, and also fuel oil which is really needed by humans. Number 4. Biological natural research. Biological natural research are natural research in the form of living creatures such as plants and animals. These natural research are very vital in life because they are needed to fulfill human food. The natural research is also needed the most by humans. Therefore, there must be good management so that the production of this natural research can increase. In this modern era, humans are very dependent on exciting natural research. This natural research can also have the potential to create new things that make superhuman life.
Distribution of natural research and water. As we know, Indonesia is a maritime country where most of it is sea. Number 1. Fisheries. Usually the existence of their fisheries is influenced by temperature and also sea depth. Apart from the depth of the sea, many fish gather in shallow seas. Number 2. Coastal wild, which is 12 miles from the coastline, where research processes are still influenced by land, for example, coral reefs and mangroves. Number 3. Seagrass beds, namely monocotyledonous plants found in shallow seas, which appear on the sea surface but whose bottom is covered by the sea. Number 4. Tourist or beautiful panorama on the beach. This is usually developed as beach tourists or what is usually called marine tourists. Number 5. Energy and mining. In terms of seawater energy, it can be used as a power plant, namely ocean wave power plants. In terms of mining, such as minerals and natural gas found under the sea, such as petroleum and natural gas, which are found in tertiary basin deposits and also produce salt. Distribution of land research. Number 1. Agriculture. Indonesia is known as an agriculture country because the characteristics of Indonesian land are suitable for the agricultural sector. For example, fields, dry fields, rice fields, gardens, or industrial agriculture. Apart from physical factor, technical factor also need to be considered in agriculture. For example, crop rotation. Number 2. Animal husbandry, where the livestock business is divided into three, namely large animal farming, cows, horse, buffalo. Small animals, goats, sheep, and poultry, ducks, chickens. For example, in West Java there are many duck farms. In South Sulawesi there are many buffalo farms, and in Nusa Tenggara there are many horse farms. Number 3. Forestry. As a country with a tropical climate with high rainfall, therefore Indonesia is suitable for growing tropical rainforests, which is useful as the world's land and also for wood exports. Number 4. Mining. Not only in water areas, mining also occurs in land areas. For example, the remains of dead plants and animals are buried in the ground to form rocks and products petroleum, coal, and so on. Number 5. Tourists. Indonesia is very rich in natural features such as mountains, 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117. 118. 119. 120. 121. 122. 1 Number 6. Island fisheries, or what can also be called freshwater or brackish water fisheries, usually can be caught in rivers, swamps, reservoirs, or cultivated. Number 6. Tourist Indonesia is very rich in natural features such as mountains, valleys, waterfalls, which can be used as tourist destination.